Hello and welcome to your free video. You made a wonderful decision to go ahead and opt in and decide to watch this video, because what I'm going to share with you is exactly what the bigger Facebook pages are using to really profit and get maximum engagement from their status updates. So let's not waste any time and let's go ahead and dive right into what we're going to discuss today. And what we are going to discuss is a certain editor that you can use with your Facebook pages to make your status updates completely stand out. Now, what I have right here on the screen are two different status updates from two different pages. And I'm wondering if you can spot the difference between the two. If you can't, no problem. Let me go ahead and explain what the difference is. Alright, so Paul Rodriguez, he has his status update, his message here, and then he has an image that he attached to it. And in his message, if you don't fully read it, you might not recognize that he has a website link here that he wants people to click on to go to his website. But you might not recognize that. It doesn't really stand out because he put it at the end of his message. And, I assume that not everybody really reads the full message. And then when you click on the image, it just brings the image up here like this within Facebook. Okay, this is your basic status update. And this is exactly what your Facebook page status update is going to look like if you don't use our little technique that I'm going to show you right now. But before I do that, let's move up here and look at the Georgia Bulldogs status update. They have their message up here. They have a nice image. They have a nice headline, a URL link, and a description. And when I click anywhere on this image, the title, the description, I click anywhere in this entire area, I get taken to their website. Okay? I don't get taken to anywhere within Facebook. No photo lightbox pops up with Facebook comments. I get taken directly to their website. And this is exactly what all the successful Facebook pages are using. And if you are ever going to link away from your Facebook page, you need to use something just like this. You do not need to just upload an image and put your link at the end of your description. You need to use this format and make the entire thing a clickable link to whatever it is you are redirecting to. This is the way to become an authority on Facebook, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it right now. First of all, I recommend that you use Google Chrome web browser. We are going to install this plugin extension for your Chrome browser. I believe it's on Firefox as well. I've heard that Firefox might have some issues here and there, so I just recommend using the Chrome browser just for this plugin at least. And what we need to do is we need to head over to the Google Chrome store. You can just Google it, the Google Chrome web store. And when you are here, you are going to type in Facebook Power Editor. Search that. And it should be the very first one, and it is from Facebook themselves. So you're going to bring that up, and you are going to click on free and install it into your web browser. Now, when you have that installed, it's very simple to get to. So if we just type in up here, /ads, /manage, and we can go to our dashboard for our ads. On the left-hand side, you are going to see that you now have a Power Editor. When we click on that, we get taken to the Power Editor dashboard. Now, every single time you use this, the very first thing you need to do is click on the download button. Make sure you have all of my accounts checkmarked and download, because it does not automatically update on its own. And if you make any changes like create a new page or make new page status updates, you will need to come here, download and update the Power Editor database. So make sure you do that first. Now, on the left-hand side, we have many options. Now, the Power Editor can be used to create posts and make posts on your page. It can be used to create ads and run ads on the Facebook network, and it has many opportunities. But for this video, we are going to focus strictly on making status updates that look like the demo that I showed you. So on the left drop-down menu over here, you are going to select Manage Pages. And then on the left-hand side, you want to select your fan page that you want to work with and create your post. So I have my awesome sports cars selected, and when you select it, you're going to see the post that you have already made on your page. And from here, you can see that we can create a new post, we can create ads for this page, etc. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new post, And the post type is going to be a link. And a link is the one that I showed you, and that's what we want to create. So the first thing you need is, where do you want to link to? What website are you linking to? So I will go with google.com. Next, you need post text. And actually, I'm going to bring up that status update again so I can kind of show you exactly what we're filling out here. Okay, here I am back on the fan page. So the first thing we have is our URL. Now that's going to be wherever you go to once they click on this link. Okay? Next, we have our post text. That is going to be this section here. This is going to show up above your link. Say, check out this awesome gallery of cars. Link headline, that is going to be this section here. The blue title headline that you see here, that is going to be your link headline. Link caption is going to be the URL that you type out here. This is good in case, for example, the GeorgiaDogs.com, this link is going to take them to GeorgiaDogs.com /article name /article date. You don't want all of that here, so you can simply just put your root domain so it looks nice and clean. And finally, we have the description here, and that is going to be the description they see below the URL. Then we need an image. And I will say, depending on the size of the image, it can affect how this looks. If you choose a small image and it only takes up half of this space over here, your link and your description are going to appear on the right hand side of your image. So if you are going to create an image from scratch, what I like to do is just save the image from a page just like this, and then I just edit that image itself and upload that image. So I'm going to upload that image I just saved. There we go. Next, we have targeting options. If you would like to target certain countries or languages, you can do that here. And then we are going to create post. And when that is done loading, we can click on it and we can see a preview of the status update. And if we view post, we can see exactly what it looks like, just like we planned out. And this image size is actually 400 pixels by 209 pixels. So that's the size that you need to use to make it look like this and make sure it's not cut off and where your description and link will appear on the right hand side. So 400 pixels by 209 pixels. Now, obviously what this does is this is going to increase the clicks through your website tremendously, because we all know people always click images, and when they click this image, it's going to go to your link instead of with a lightbox pop-up on Facebook. So this is the way that you need to share any link. If you share any link on your page, it needs to be done just like this. Have a custom image created if you have to. Make it look very professional and create your links just like this. But we're not finished yet. What you see over here is a half moon. That means the post is not published. It has not been posted to your page yet. So what you need to do is you need to highlight this post. You then need to click on Publish Post. Publish now, or schedule a time to publish it. I'm going to publish now. You should see a little arrow next to it. That means it's ready to be published, and all you have to do is click on upload. And this is going to upload the status for you. It's done. We're going to close out of that. Now let's go back and let's see if it posted to our page. Scrolling down here, you can see it has posted to our page. And it looks exactly like we planned on it to look. Now, I would make sure to use a high quality professional image. I would make your description a lot longer than this one here. And I can guarantee you that you are going to see your click-throughs go through the roof. And that is just one of the many different techniques being used right now by the big companies to drive unlimited traffic to their website. And they are making tons of money with it. And I got to tell you, there are many techniques that I teach just like that in the advanced video course. And luckily for you, you can actually check out that advanced video course just by clicking the link below this video. we have a full-blown video course that is going to teach you everything you need to know about running a successful Facebook fan page. I mean, take a look at this page here. We just created this, I think, last week, and on complete autopilot, we are up to 1,000 fans, and these are 100% real fans. These aren't the fake profiles that you go spend $5 on Fiverr and get 5,000 fake fans. These are 100% real fans who liked our Pitbull page. They are engaging with our post, all kinds of shares and likes and comments. And this is completely on autopilot. In our video course, we are going to discuss how to build a page from scratch. If you don't have a niche yet, we are going to discuss how to find a profitable niche, a killer niche that people are very passionate about. We are going to discuss how to find one of those. We are going to create your page from scratch. I'm going to teach you how to get your fans to engage with your status updates, because if your fans do not engage with your status updates, then your page is completely worthless and you aren't going to make any money. So you need your fans to engage with your status updates. You will learn how to find out exactly who your target demographic is, because that is one of the biggest mistakes in business, is to not know who your fans are. I'm going to show you exactly how to tell who they are. And I can tell you, just from these 1,000 fans, I can tell you that I know for a fact that my fans are male and female between the ages of 18 and 25. I know that for a fact, with the majority being female. And I would have never guessed that. That's why you don't guess. You let the numbers come to you. And I'm going to teach you how to figure all of that out. I'm going to show you how to get fans for free. I built up the majority of these fans completely free by taking advantage of these amazing Facebook features that have been changing over this past year. So if you want to get started with our Facebook training, which you can do right this second, these videos are waiting for you to watch right now. All you have to do is click the link below this video. We can get started with our Facebook training, and you can start making good amounts of money from a Facebook page that you will create during our training. Thanks, guys, and I'll see you on the other side.